right. You want to light this fire? 'Cause I don't want to get no third-degree burns on me, so.
Do it over there by the time you get there.
Oh, no. It's going to poof.